Auto Obsessed here. We're at the 2018 Edmonton Motorshow. We've got a lot in store for you this year. Why don't you come in and let's take a look. We brought 3 cars this year. Behind me we have a 2018 Porsche Gt3. This is a paint 2 sample car. This is Mexico blue. The owner wanted to have the car with the utmost protection. He wanted the whole vehicle bubble wrap, so to speak. So this complete vehicle from tip to tip is done in Expel Ultimate Paint Protection Film. On top of it, we have Seacort's Finest Reserve, one of the best coatings, ceramic coatings available right now. This particular coating gives it its unreal gloss. It also is very, very easy to maintain. The owner's going to be able to appreciate the car a lot more and use it a lot more instead of maybe spending more time detailing it. The wheels were also removed. They're done in a ceramic coating to help, once again, shed the brake dust a little bit better and make it a lot easier to keep this vehicle clean. And here we have a 2018 Corvette Zo6. This particular vehicle, the owner does want to put it around the track a little bit, so we have put a complete PPF or paint protection film on this vehicle as well. So from tip to tip, this vehicle is done in Expel Ultimate. And this is also a little bit special for us too. This is the owner's car that actually makes sure that our motor show cars get here safely and get put back to the shop safely. So we want to treat him well. He treats us really well and treats our clients' cars well. So this particular one has an incredible gloss on it. So we finished this car with 2 coats of Swiss Wax Obsessed Show Wax. That's what's given it its deep gloss. It's still going to be very, very easy to maintain. It's very hydrophobic. It's going to last them the whole summer season. It's a very durable wax, considering it is primarily for show purposes to give you that deep, deep, deep shiny gloss. Let's take a look. We've got one more here to show you. So if this car doesn't say spring, you better hurry your butt up and let's get started. I don't know what does. So this is a 1970 Jaguar E-Type. This car is for a very close friend and a very special person to Auto Obsessed. He works behind the scenes. He does a heck of a lot to keep us in check and in tune throughout the many years. We also hope that he helps us out for many, many more years to come. This is a new car to him this last fall. We waited till the motor show to be able to do some preparation, so it's all ready to go for spring. The owner hasn't seen it yet. He's going to be floored when he sees it. He's going to want to jump in and take this thing for a ride. We did 3-stage full paint correction to knock out any swirls, scratches, give it its deep gloss and luster. This is a dark navy blue car. The cameras might not pick it up properly, but it is a dark blue, just a beautiful, beautiful color when some light goes on it. To enhance that, we used 2 coats of Swiss Wax Obsessed Show Wax. That's given it its deep gloss. It has some protection on it now. It's going to be a lot easier for the client to maintain. This particular vehicle, we also did a little bit of restoration detailing to it. So we spent a fair amount of time in the interior, polishing some chrome, going in all the little nooks and crannies, trying to revive as much as we could from what the restoration people did many years ago, and also it's a 1970, so it's had its fair share of time. Spent a fair amount of time as well in the engine bay. We're really excited about this car. We can't wait till the owner sees it. So we have a lot of products in store for you this year. We have products from Sonax, Einzit, Minzerna, Rupes, Swiss Wax, Scan Grip. We also have a ton of products here from Griot's Garage, and Griot's Garage is actually going to be here all weekend. They're going to be doing some polishing demos. We have some polishing kits available as well during the motor show. Also, so they can demo and talk about some of the great new products that they have released not too long ago. And here we have the Obsessed products display. So we're really excited. This actually is the start of our 3rd season with Obsessed products. We launched 3 products just recently. Paint Finish was actually launched at the end of last summer. This is our quick detailer. This is our show quick detailer now. So everything behind us in a scenario like this where we need to keep the vehicles kept up during a show, doesn't matter if it's on a high-end ceramic coating or one of the top-of-the-line waxes. This product is super easy to use, gives you that deep gloss, gives it a little bit of protection on top as well. Something really easy to maintain and something is a must-have, definitely for these type of situations. So that's used on everything behind us. And also really excited to be able to launch at the Edmonton Motorshow. So these are new right now. This is our leather cleaner and our leather conditioner. We've been working on these about a year and a half. in the shop use about a year now, and behind us, all three of the vehicles are done in the Obsessed leather cleaner and conditioner. These products are really, really easy to use. It's going to give you that factory look, so we don't have anything shiny, anything greasy, anything slippery. It gives you that factory look to your leather. So if your leather has a slight gloss to it, it's going to leave it. If it's a dead matte leather, it's going to leave it like that as well. So two great products just released. If you haven't heard about the paint finish, this one's out as well right now. So we're really excited to add 3 more products to the Obsessed lineup. Let's take a look. We've got a little bit more to show you. And this is the Unrivaled Rides booth right behind the Auto Obsessed booth. So this is the 2nd year for Unrivaled Rides, and Obsessed is a proud sponsor. What it is contestants send pictures of their vehicles in to enter. 10 vehicles are chosen. So the 10 vehicles, the winners are here right now. And then during the motor show, the public has an opportunity to select which car they feel is the best car. For the winner gets a cash prize. All the contestants get a Obsessed box set. They're also given products at the beginning of the show to use and prep for this. So if you're able to come down to the Edmonton Motorshow, definitely take a look at the Unrivaled Rides. There's some great cars here this year, and we're really excited with Obsessed to be a sponsor this year. And here we have some more products. We've brought a big selection, massive selection of Chemical Guys products down. We have G-Tech Nick here, a big selection of CarPro products. We have 303, the full selection of Obsessed products is here. P21, Colonite, Lexol, Ragtop. We've got over 1,000 products. We brought a massive amount of products here for you this weekend. Don't forget to come by if you have any questions with Greer's Garage. They are going to be here all weekend long doing polishing demos, asking questions, doing everything they can to help you with their product line. We also have about 20, 30-ish products on each one of the vehicles that we brought here, so we can show you kind of firsthand. If you've got a question on a certain product that we used on the vehicle, you can see firsthand results of what it looks like. We're really excited to be at the Edmonton Motor Show. We're at booth number 508. I hope you can make it by. Thanks for watching.